Today is July 3rd, Thursday, the day before 4th of July. Market closed early today. It's going to close at 1 o'clock. It closes in about an hour and 15 minutes, which is the reason why I didn't take any trades today. Other than that, it was pretty solid setup, realistically. Really solid. As we got the Asia lows right here, Asia highs. We'll go out to the hourly chart, as always. We'll mark out, boom, boom, and boom. So what I see here is alright, so during Asian market, what I see is and reversal, which got a new session. Previous session, consolidation. So Asia session was a previous session. I would almost say it was a previous session manipulation. Okay, so I got it now. This was a previous session manipulation that happened in Asia session that took out these hourly lows, which led to a reversal. No. Okay, I got it now. I got it. This is an hourly high. This could be an hourly high. So we get previous session manipulation in Asia. That leads to a new session reversal. Boom, boom. And then what happens in London session is we crash down after the reversal. We end up manipulating to take out hourly highs. So it would be a previous session manipulation plus reversal previous session manipulation plus reversal equals new session continuation, and that's what you get on this fine beautiful day. And then as you go into market open, you pull up lower time frames, because once new money enters the market, you're looking for some sort of manipulation, even if it's going to continue, because you need to know that you're going to have a good stop loss in place, so you're not going to lose a shit ton of money. You can't just enter all willy-nilly, because that's how they rip everything from your grasp. So basically, I'd hop on the 5 minute, open up the charts. Okay, mark out every single boom, boom, boom. If I was looking at 8:30, we already broke structure on the 5-minute chart. This candle right here breaks structure. As we enter into the morning, we break a 5-minute high. Great, that happens before we even enter the market. We enter the market. We create a fair value gap within the first 10 minutes. You mark out that fair value gap. You say retest. On this candle, you enter. Set your stop below this level, this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap. And then, yeah, let it ride. And then we're at all-time highs, so you either pull out a Fibonacci retracement level or so see the Fibonacci. So realistically, we're targeting 23,143. We're about 50 points away, but first target could have been 933. Well, no, that's when you entered, actually. My bad. But yeah, target is somewhere up in 23,143. Because there's no other. But really, that was beyond perfect trade. I know it took me a little bit to really recognize what was happening, but once I understood, it makes complete sense. Let's go over it one more time just so I can hammer it in my head. So during the Asian session, going into London, we were looking at a previous session manipulation with reversal, or previous session manipulation to hourly highs causes new session reversal. In this London session, once we enter, we get a previous session manipulation to manipulate these hourly lows, plus a reversal leading to New York session or new session continuation. And that's what you see throughout this entire day. Even though it was a short day, which means no trade for me, it still plays out beautiful. Every single thing that is that daily profile, that bias. And if it doesn't line up, then don't take a trade. But today I didn't take a trade because of the time. That's fine. Monday comes and I see a setup like this, I better be taken and I better hold. Because that's just moi. We broke out of London and Asia highs before the market ever opened.